All right, what's something that sucks about the E46 platform? The subframes. So today, thankfully, we have CMP Auto Engineering joining us again to help us out. Now, we're gonna jump in here, we're gonna do the front and we're gonna do the rear. So we're gonna reinforce both because obviously a 320 motor isn't putting out the power that our 1J is. So we need to be reinforcing this so it's ready for the power. Now let's jump in, let's show you what we're gonna do.
Across the bed, no doubt I peep it, homie. Sometimes I'm feeling divine, sometimes I'm losing my mind. I freak the beat.
All right, so subframe out, that was really good. I've actually pressure washed this as well. And off camera, I've already got underneath the car, you can see the reinforcement plate down there. And I've started wire wheeling off the, well, where we're gonna be welding. So you can see all the little wire wheels down here. And you can see, well, you can kind of see up there. I'll show you some pictures, but what I've done is I wire wheeled off the area and probably like that much further around the area that we'll be welding those to, then gone through with weld through primer and sprayed it so that it's all protected from the weather. All right, so we're all primed up here. That's all rubbed back nicely. That's all primed up, and I'll show you what I've done at the back.
All right, now this is a real pain because you've got to remove quite a bit. Sorry about the angle. Now, that's one of them that is just drying off the last little bit of the weld through primer, as you can see. You see how this corner isn't like perfectly rubbed back? It's fine because it doesn't actually come near that. It kind of comes around here, right? So then what I've done with all the other ones, I've actually bolted them in place, ready for my welder to come along next weekend, which you guys will see in a couple of seconds, all in place. Now, you can see that they like sit out a bit. So what we'll do is we'll like, so you tack there, you run a bead there, so on. Once you've done those, then you come along with a hammer and kind of hammer that into place and then weld and so on. As you can see on this one here, tack, 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 tack. And then you'll like hammer that piece up and run a bead around the edge. You know what I mean? Even like here, you push it in, tack, so on. Same here, right? They obviously can't hammer them perfectly into place for you in the shop. I mean, like possibly, maybe, I don't know. Like, they don't need to, you know. And if they did, the cost would just go up because it's more man time. So I think they've done a perfect little setup here. Just tack it in place, run a bead, and then hammer here, and then tack. Hammer here, and then tack. And then over here, you just run a line there, and run a line all here. All right, so it's all good. Again, here, bolted these in place, so tack in the middle, take these bolts out, and then run a line all the way around the edge. It's gonna be good. All right, now the tank isn't out, it's dropped, because it's a bit of a pain to take all the way out, but I'll see what he wants to do. I'll see if he's happy to, weld around this. Obviously, we'll seal up any open holes to fuel, and then he can run his welds. But it's up to him. If he wants me to take the fuel tank out, we can do that. So I'll text him, let him know, I'll take some photos, and then we're ready. This can actually lean down quite a bit more at the front. So, again, however he feels comfortable doing it. All right, let's get this welded. So a little bit of black paint on it, let that, matte off, and it's gonna come up mint. This one's matted off a little bit. Really, really stoked, really stoked. So thanks heaps, Christian. Came in, welded all of it together for me today, and beautiful job. Like front, back, everything done. Stoked. Really good work. Links in the description for all of his details. If you want to hit up someone that does really good welding, hit him up. And there we are, engine mounts back in, full of confidence that they are nice and strong now, and they're going to be able to hold that 1J nice and tight. So same as the rear subframe. Oh, it's so good when companies just make good parts that fit, that work, just breeds confidence. You know, now I've got so much more confidence in this chassis, in this build. It's going to be so good. So the subframe reinforcement is done. I threw the fuel tank back in. I didn't take it all the way out, as you saw. It was just leaning out, and Christian was able to work around that, thankfully, because it would have been a pain to have to pull it all the way out. But it's finally done. It has been months that I've wanted that done. I will be putting the subframe back in probably tomorrow. Oh God, I feel like the car is starting to go back together. It's felt for so long like I'm just pulling it apart more and more every single time I touch the car. So it's nice to feel like I'm actually starting to put it back together. I'm putting the fuel tank back in, the subframe back in, the engine mounts went back in. You know, it's feeling like we're getting somewhere, boys. Now, if you're as excited as I am, please like, please comment, please subscribe, boys and girls. If you subscribe, it helps me no end, and it is free. And I'm pretty sure that if you do it, the next time that there's a rainbow, you will find the gold. That's actually what I've heard. Look, I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it's a lie. It's just what I've heard. I may have heard it from myself just then in my head, but whatever the case may be, do you really want to risk it? I don't think you do. And I think you've got to be subscribed for 10 years for it to count. So don't subscribe and then unsubscribe. You got to stick around. Then you'll be able to see the E46 get built, finished, whatever the, engine's going in next. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm going to make a tail shaft, throw that in, do a couple lines, put the front back on, and go get it wired. Oh, it's gonna be good, boys. It's gonna be so good. I cannot wait to share it with you all. So please do all those things, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. See you guys.